Question number 30. In physics, a paradigm shift introduces the introduction of radically new ideas in order to explain a phenomena. So, he has explained what is a paradigm shift, okay, which it means it gives you an altogether new idea. It is not something like reinventing a new old wheel, okay. So, it's something new totally. So, therefore, now which of these introduce a paradigm shift? Multi-loop circuits. Where did you learn this? You learned this in KVL. Is there anything special? No. Okay, you had two different circuits and you just joined them together. You applied KVL and you said, okay, multi-loop circuits are got, right? You try to analysis. Okay, so this is not a new thing over here. Standing waves. What is a standing wave? Standing wave is nothing but you have a pipe or maybe a string. You gave a wave to it and it got reflected, and superposition of these two gave rise to one new wave. Okay, is this something new? No, nothing is new. You described only the phenomena of reflection. So this is nothing but your standing wave is nothing but reflection you described. Okay, this is also nothing new. Reflection is known for decades or centuries, right? So it's not new for us. Then TIR. What is TIR? TIR is nothing but a special case of the refraction, wherein the ray goes from a denser medium to a rarer medium. That's also not new. So it's also refraction, but only thing is the angle of incidence is larger than the critical angle. Okay, nothing new. Atomic spectra. Atomic spectra is totally new. Okay, why is it new? The reason is because we see atomic spectra. In atomic spectra, what did we assume? We always said that an electron, while it is moving in a circular path, it should radiate energy, first thing. And secondly, you will get energy not while it moves in circular path, but instead when it jumps from a higher energy level to a lower energy level. So you started explaining why do you get spectra, why the spectra is discrete, and what kind of spectra can you get in what regions, how the spectra can be divided into 5 different regions, right? So you have many things to explain. So therefore atomic spectra is a paradigm shift. Okay.